UFO Resync process. Make sure the unit is unplugged. Take out all UFOs from the charging case. Turn off the UFOs by pushing the round button. Choose one UFO as the leader. Press and hold the right square button. Do not let go. You'll see one green flash, then another green flash a few seconds later. Make sure not to let go of the square button during pairing. Pairing will look like this. On the UFOs to be paired, you will push the square button twice, and then the round button once. You will see a green flashing light. Wait until the light stops, and then start the pairing process on the next UFO. Continue until all UFOs have been through this process. Upon completion, release the button on the leader UFO. Then you will activate each UFO individually. Make sure you wait 3 to 4 seconds before activating each one. All flares should be synced. Cycle through colors and modes to verify. If there is a UFO still not syncing after this process, proceed to run all UFOs until the battery has ran out. Charge the pack and retry the resync process again.